What's up, YouTube? This is Luli Ali. So I just bought these new kicks, Jordan 45, Jordan Flight 45, TRK, the Vivid Pink and Imperial Blue black stuff, and I didn't find a video on YouTube, so I just decided to do this one. So this is an unboxing. I just got these. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna have to hold my feet here. Switch it around. Here it is. E&F. And there they are. Got the little strap thing here. The laces look sick. Inside looks sick too. You got the pink right there. Flight. They're more of in the boots category, but they're also shoes. So not too light, not too heavy, just in between. This is kind of like the Hards. This is the same thing, but I feel like this one has like a piece of plastic inside of it. It's got leather here, different material here. It's not bad. I like them. Air Jordan in the back. And you can take this strap, which is Velcro, and take the strap off. So it just looks like that. But yeah, this is it. They look fresh. Alright. Tell me in the comments what you think. If you like these ones more, or whatever you want, subscribe, because hey, this is my first video and I don't even know how many years, so hey, you won't lose nothing. My annoying videos won't keep popping up. Subscribe, I don't really care. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but yeah, that's it. Have a good one.